Who doesn't love a great grilled dinner? But that dinner isn't so great if you melt the siding of your house in the process of cooking dinner. Every year, thousands of homeowners have this happen because the grill just gets a little too close to the house. But with Airstone and my DIYHIPChicks idea for a custom grilling station, you can prevent your house from having melted siding and you having an insurance claim and an expensive repair. You will need two 4x4 pressure-treated posts about 6 feet long, one sheet of Durock cement board, one bag of Quikrete to set your posts, galvanized screws to attach the Durock to the posts, one tube of Loctite premium adhesive, and 2 boxes of Airstone in the color of your choice. Decide on a location for your grilling station. Leave 12 inches or more between the station and your house. You will mount the two 4x4 posts in the ground using the Quikrete. Dig the holes roughly 20 to 24 inches deep. Level the posts vertically and let set overnight. Then attach a sheet of Durock to the back side of the posts with your galvanized screws. Make sure that it is square and level. Attach a ledger board between the posts along the bottom of the Durock to support your first row of Airstone. Grab your Airstone and Loctite adhesive. Cut stones with a wet saw or a hacksaw as needed. Apply Loctite in vertical lines on the back of your stones. This allows for drainage of any water that may get trapped behind the stones. Apply the stones in random color and size pattern. Then you can move your grill in and fire it up. Airstone is fire retardant and looks beautiful in any outdoor setting.